Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Kliegou Men's T-shirt available on the market. The Kliegou Men's 100% Cotton Hipster Hip-Hop Longline Crewneck T-shirt. This shirt combines style, comfort, and functionality in a way that makes it stand out among casual menswear. First, let's talk about the fabric. This T-shirt is made from 100% pure cotton, which means it's soft to the touch and breathable, perfect for everyday wear. The fabric is pre-shrunk, so you don't have to worry about it shrinking after washing. This ensures the fit stays consistent, wash after wash. The material quality is impressive and gives a premium feel without breaking the bank. The design of the shirt is modern and trendy, especially for those who love hip-hop and streetwear style. It features a long line cut, meaning it's slightly longer than traditional T-shirts, giving you that fashionable layered look. What's unique here is the short front and long back hem with a subtle arc design. This not only adds to the aesthetic appeal but also prevents the shirt from curling up when you move, jump, or bend, offering both style and practicality. Moving to the neckline, the shirt has a classic crew neck with a stylish X neckline design detail that adds a subtle but fashionable touch. The collar is reinforced with threaded neckline construction that prevents deformation, maintaining its shape even after repeated use. The cuff stitching is tight and neat, showing attention to detail in manufacturing and contributing to the shirt's durability. This T-shirt comes in a wide range of sizes from S all the way to 4XL, accommodating various body types. The sizing is thoughtfully detailed in the product description, helping you find the perfect fit. The chest measurements and length dimensions make it easier to pick the right size, ensuring the shirt fits comfortably without being too tight or too loose. In terms of versatility, this T-shirt works great for casual outings, gym wear, or just lounging around. Its breathable cotton fabric makes it comfortable during warmer weather, while the longer length provides a sleek, stylish edge that's perfect for layering under jackets or hoodies. If you're someone who appreciates a shirt that blends urban style with comfort and durability, this Kliegou Longline Crewneck T-shirt ticks all those boxes. It's designed to keep its shape, resist curling, and deliver a flattering fit thanks to its unique hem and reinforced collar. In conclusion, the Kliegou Men's 100% Cotton Hipster Hip-Hop Longline Crewneck T-shirt offers an excellent combination of quality, style, and comfort. Whether you're updating your casual wardrobe or looking for a dependable everyday shirt, this is a solid choice that brings value and a modern look to your closet. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews. See you next time.